Hi, boys and girls. Let me just adjust this so I can see you and you can see me. So I just wanted to review what you are doing in your ongoing reading document today. So we've been focusing on the story elements, on character, setting, problem, solution, excuse me, and theme. In your ongoing reading document today, after you watch one of the videos from the Padlet, you are going to record the character from the video, the setting, the problem solution, and the theme. As always, you could do this for a book that you're reading as well. So here's my example. It might be backwards on your screen. I can't really tell. So the characters in The People of Sparks are Lena and Dune. The setting is that they are above ground on Earth. I know this because the land is vast and there are no buildings or civilized cities. So we know in the story, very often the author described the land as being vast. That means very large. There's not a lot there. The city of Ember stumbled upon the village of Sparks, which they are told is the only village for miles and miles. And this village of Sparks is just a very basic village. There's no major electricity or big buildings like we would see in a town like New Milford, for example. The problem is the people from the village of Sparks are trying to help the people from Ember, but there is not enough food or resources. One attempted solution by Lena in the story is to sneak away with Casper and Maddie to discover a city for her people to live. And then a theme is sometimes in life it can be difficult to help others. It's still the right thing to do. And the reason why I inferred this as a possible theme in the story is because conflict is arising between the people of Sparks and the people of Ember. The people of Sparks agreed to help the people of Ember, but they're really struggling to do so, and the people of Ember are starting to become angry at the people of Sparks because they think the people of Sparks should be giving them more than they are already receiving from them. And then after you record the story elements from the video you watch or from a book that you read in your ongoing document, you could do it the same way I just did. I know it's hard for you to see this, which is why I read it, but you can see that I wrote the date, and then I wrote the story elements, and then I just recorded my stop and jots. After you do that, you also need to write your reading goal. So there's a Google form in our Google Classroom that you need to fill out. And then I want you to write down what your goals are in your ongoing reading document, only because I know that once you submit the form, it's for me to see, and then you can't view it anymore. And I want to make sure that you remember what your reading goal is, so you remember what you are focusing on. So I wrote a sample goal. I will record my stop and jots in my ongoing reading document. I will focus on inferring about characters. So that's one of the 4 progressions in this unit. The other 3 are analyzing perspective, that's focusing on who's telling the story and how their life experiences influence how and why they act the way they do. Analyzing parts of a text in relation to a whole. That's where you're talking about how one part fits with the whole of the story. And then finally, theme, which is the lesson or the moral of the story. So I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.